Have you ever wondered if you have what it takes to face the most thrilling rides on the planet? Then come with us and face your thrill! Today we're at Busch Gardens, Tampa, Florida. And in this video we're going to ride Sand Serpent. Sand Serpent is a steel Wild Maus coaster with a max height of 45 feet. With a top speed of 28 miles per hour. Riders who are 46 inches or higher can experience this 1,213 foot long thrill ride. Who's ready to check it out? Then come with us. Before we hop on this ride, make sure to hit the subscribe and like button to watch more videos like this. Mommy, I put down the buttons and then I touched it. In the back. Oh, it's like the mouse trap. This time it's called the Sand Serpent. That means I'm taking that too. Oh, yeah. Ouch! My probably favorite part, when you're going to the turning, it feels like you're falling off, but really you aren't. And it's just like a mousetrap, just really fun. And if you're 11, you can totally handle it. Just a fun experience. You can totally handle it, and I love it. Hey, Mom, Caleb! I like when you're gonna fall off. I didn't fall off. I did. 2 times. Ah! The swimming pool was coming down the hill because it busted my butt up and it went bust my butt up. I'll do this on the band. You can do it! I think my favorite part is when you're coming around the turns. It feels like the cart's going off the track. It makes it really fun. 2, that's my favorite part. It busted my butt so high. And you'll enjoy it. So if you're afraid of this ride, just remember, face your friends.